Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is college move-in day and I'm not feeling well, so just bear with me. I have a sore throat. I'm so excited to move in, but I cannot leave my dogs. They're so precious and I need them every day, so I'm just gonna say my goodbyes. Cody, how do you feel about me leaving college? Yeah, I guess my dog doesn't like me. You gotta be a good boy for this video, right? Likes chilling on my bed, and when I'm not home, he usually goes to my bed and just like lay down like this, right, Cody? I love you. My dog can talk, guys. I love you. Are you gonna be sad, Cody? Oh, you're gonna be sad? I'm gonna be sad too, Cody. Oh. So right now I'm just waiting for my parents and my sister to get ready, and then we're going to head out and say goodbyes to my little doggies. I'm so sad. But here is my room. A minute room tour for you guys. It's kind of empty now. I feel like I brought so much stuff for college, but we'll work it out. Hi, baby! Bye, baby. Bye, little conehead. Zach, come here. Can I get kisses? Can I get kisses? Oh, I'm gonna miss you, babe. I think he knows. So packed in the car. So me and Jen are gonna squish. 13, 14. Got a fruit cup and Starbucks. 13, 14. Got tomatoes. Fine ng 13, 14. Bye-bye. Guys, it's 5 o'clock and I got here like around 3, and I went to go to Walmart to get more stuff, and yeah, I just want to lay down on the floor and cry because I don't want to do this. This is too much. This is way too much. This carpet is really soft though. So I'm going to go to dinner with my friends and then come back and do my room. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it's pretty short, but my dorm room tour will be up soon, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!